Und der Ton wird wieder voll und klar. Auch das hohe C kommt strahlend mit neuen Telefunkenröhren. Lassen Sie Ihr Gerät durch den Fachhändler prüfen. Vielleicht sollten Sie es auch verjüngen durch neue Telefunkenröhren.
Hey, this is Will, SRT Amplification, and I know it's been a while since I've did a video. I've been a lot of things going on, but I just wanted to kind of give an update on what I've been doing with the Thordarson PA amplifier and its transformation into a guitar amp. So I'm going to show you some pictures that I took a few days ago. That's got the paint job and everything, and then show you some pictures with the chrome back on it and everything. And then I've got a few more things to do to it, but it's almost complete, and I'll do a full video at some point, but I just wanted to get this out there and show you what's going on with it. So let's look at these pictures. Okay, so this is the front of the amp. As you can see, it's kind of a powder blue color, but in certain lights it kind of has a royal blue color, but it's really kind of like the same color as painter's tape. The blue painter's tape, if that gives you a reference. Here's another picture of the front and the side, kind of at a different angle. And right now it's got 2 coats of paint and 2 coats of clear coat on it. Here's a picture of the back, and I had to tape off the data plate on the back so it didn't get paint on it. So it's all stripped off there. Everything's been stripped out of it. Here's the base, and the rubber on those feet are kind of basically worn down, so I'm probably going to put new feet on this base, but I painted it to match as well. And then this one is the top, which is also just a bent piece of metal that goes around the back as well. But you can see the hole there where they had put the record mechanism, mounted it on top there. I don't know what I'm going to do about repairing that yet, but I'll find something. Here you can see the top and then the back piece that's bent down there. So it's also painted all the same color. And then I ended up bringing it to the bench and putting it in the light, or not. That was outside, but this is kind of a darker space here. You can see the blue looks more royal blue. I got the chrome pieces put back on the side there, wrapping around. Took the painter's tape off the faceplate, and you can see it shined up really nice. I took a little bit of chrome polish and polished up the faceplate and those chrome rails. So it's coming together. So stay tuned for more. Okay, so as you saw, the Thordarson amp is coming along. Since those pictures were taken, I have done a lot more to it actually. I took a power transformer and the output transformer and the chokes off of the chassis, and I'm cleaning those up. I tested them out. They all test good, which is a great thing. I don't know what I would do if I had to replace one of those components. It's probably the most expensive thing to replace in the amplifier. But they all tested good, so I'm going to get that top of that chassis where those components mount on top there all cleaned off and everything around the tube sockets and everything. And I've thought about even painting the bells on those transformers, taping off the iron core laminations and painting the bells of those transformers that blue color as well. Not that anybody's going to see it, because you really can't see inside the amplifier when the panels and everything are on top of it, but maybe something I do, I don't know. But once I get all that cleaned up and get it put back in there, I've already got the filter caps replaced on the underneath and soldered in on some terminal strips. I added a whole bunch of new terminal strips to the bottom so that everything's a little more cleaner than it was. And it's come along. It's just taken some time. I've got a little bit of free time now to work on this thing, and I've kind of got my shop area where it's at least halfway workable. but it's coming along, and I should have a full video out on this pretty soon. So thank you for watching, and if you haven't yet, hit subscribe wherever it pops up at, and then check out my other videos if you haven't seen them, and like this video. And as always, I appreciate you for watching, and thank you until next time.